Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm already profusely
Hello.
sweating.
There's two of us, can you tell the difference yet?
One's better looking.
Whoa. Anyway, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Priya, not this one, aka Beauty and the Books, and we do all things beauty and book related here. So, you know, subscribe, it'll be over Davina's face.
Thanks.
Yeah. Anyway, if you didn't already know, this is my sister, and today we are filming a makeup look. I have no clue what she's going to do on me, but she's doing my makeup with only her left hand. Look somewhat interested.
I don't know what I'm doing on your face, that's it.
So yeah, she's doing my makeup with her left hand, and I thought I'd drag her in because I needed some entertaining content for you guys. So if you want to know what she does to my face, then just keep on watching. So, you can't see actually, I'll record a clip and show you. I have set the table up for Davina. She's got options galore, pretty much. So she's got options of bases, foundations, eyeshadow, lipsticks, the works.
What? I always start at the nose.
Okay, just the way you do that.
This does not feel right.
I don't feel comfortable with your left hand.
I don't feel comfortable either.
Right.
I already got foundation.
So it says, who is the oldest? Me. That's the wrong hand. What's your favourite book? We'll put it on brand.
Noughts and Crosses. But I did read recently Diary of a Confused Feminist. That was very
yeah, I
good.
forgot you got that. What's a weird habit of your sibling? What's my weird habit?
Everything.
Wrong hand. No, just how aggressively you put on that highlight all the way down my nose. Whoa.
I'm great at blending.
Your weird habits. There's too many to count.
That's so funny.
You had to run through the living room.
Why is your head so up?
Sorry.
You just look like that.
Don't matter.
I want a weird habit. You shove your finger up my bum. There you go. Don't know if you can put that in the video. But
I need some context of that. I don't just randomly shove my finger up her bum. I just poke her butt as she's bent over when I walk past. Okay, that is it. No. Okay, go on. Whose room is a mess? All the time. Well, it's better now.
Hey, it's not my fault.
It's not your fault that your own room is a mess.
Yeah, man. It's organised chaos, as one might say. I heard that's all.
Jesus.
I feel like oh god, no, we need to blend. What if I just turn you into a clown? Because you already are one. We're gonna do a sun kiss look. Yeah, no, but that's more highlighter, isn't it? It literally says glow on it. Oh!
She thought this was highlighter.
It says glow! Ah!
To be fair, I can see why that would be misleading.
No, that's... I'm gonna put that over there.
Who has the best sense of style? I think that's very difficult to compare
I wouldn't say me.
because we both have very different styles. But Davina's has improved over the years. Okay.
Thanks.
I don't know what you're doing to my face.
I'm putting blush on. You give it the sun kiss look.
Got it at the end.
Look, I'm holding. Why am I holding it like that? Have you seen the tweet where it's on my right hand can literally do anything but my left hand can't hold a pencil?
Okay. Brush was like, you insult me? Can you remember your sibling's greatest achievement?
You've had so many in comparison to me.
Davina's greatest achievement is that I am her sister. No, it's that she got into uni.
But I ain't going.
Well done. Have you ever stolen anything from each other? If so, what was it?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
my entire bedroom.
Yeah, but like I said, it's made me the person I am today. We've both grown from
A
it.
hidden kleptomaniac or whatever it's called.
No, I just wanted to be you. But then I grew up and I was like, ew.
Use eyeshadow if you want.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. I was waiting for what that was gonna happen.
I don't want to mess it up because they're eyebrows. When you mess up, you literally mess up the whole face.
Why are you holding this pen? Show it. Show it.
I was holding it like this.
No, you wasn't.
How was I holding it like
Okay. She's going in with the Carnival palette, by the way. I should have told you what products we're using the whole time, but oh well. I'll list them in description.
We'll go Euphoria vibes, you know? So it can be a mess because everyone on that show is a mess.
Do you get along with your siblings' friends? Yeah?
Yeah, but my friends want to be your friends sometimes.
Sabrina's friends love me more.
That's funny. No, they don't.
Just making sure
I'm
you
so
using
scared. I don't want to mess it up.
It's already messed.
I'm gonna go for like a wing because I don't think I can actually do a proper. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll do it. Okay. I've got a look in my head, but if it's gonna look like that, we'll see.
So Davina, tell people more about yourself.
It's not much to know. I don't have a favourite number.
I don't have one either. I think it's stupid.
I mean, if I had to choose one, might just be like
11.
5 because it's the month I was born.
Oh.
But why would yours be 11?
Just because it looks nice. Or 22, or 33, or 54, or 44.
So any numbers.
Any
that
double
are together,
numbers.
okay.
I just blow my brush and you've got a nasty ass cold
I
breath.
don't have a nasty ass cold, I've got mucus.
I don't feel like that's like a TikTok
No.
reference now. I got mucus! I got mucus!
Stop. That is not a good. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna blend it. Do you like it?
No, she's lying. It's awful.
No, Mummy, I hate it.
Do you?
She's doing it with her left
Did you
hand.
not have a...
No, I have a plan. I know what I'm doing. I'm just my left hand does not know what she's doing.
Mummy, who's your favourite child?
Both of you.
Wow, you're so diplomatic.
Yes.
What's your least favourite book? Fault in Our Stars was my least favourite book in this whole world. No, An Abundance of Catherines. Disgusting.
I didn't read that
Don't
one.
know how it got published.
Okay.
Disgraceful.
Oh yeah,
Just like this eye look.
that's rude. You wanted me to be in this video. Like, I mean, I think, yeah, I felt like The Fault in Our Stars because I read it when it was like getting hype, so I like went into it thinking it probably one of the best books in the world. But then everyone's like, oh my god, I cried when I got started. I was like, I didn't cry.
Do not put spoilers!
Bruv! Everyone has watched it or read the book. Like, everyone knows what's happened.
Touche.
I mean, what about Romeo and Juliet? Haha, no. Callum and Seffi. Like, that stuff breaks my heart. You just grabbed your boob. See, look, glitter just makes everything better. Oh, I'm gonna try something. It's probably not gonna work. No, it will work. I'm just like grabbing your head.
Are you trying to do a cut crease?
No.
There you are.
I'm gonna try something. But this just looks like disgusting. Because it's a base, I might just put some more colours on it. I love how you said do something simple.
Yeah, I was just like whack a bit brown on my eyes and she is like bright pink, but okay.
Yeah.
Guess we're going clubbing tonight. How many followers do I have on Instagram?
So like 2k?
Be more specific, bro.
But is it around
Look at the same time.
is it around
Yeah.
the 2k
Yeah.
mark? 2,546? No.
2,107.
I've got
You aimed
high.
high.
Oh, I don't like that at all.
This is when she knew she'd made a mistake.
I made a mistake the minute I put pink on your eyes. No, I hate it. Damn it. More glitter.
I can see what you're doing. That mild sound of approval.
But it doesn't look ugly. Bless you. Thank you. I can see where I want to put the brush, but my hand's just like, no. It's stressing me out.
Maybe do like
Oh yeah.
the other side. Make it match.
Trust the process.
Look at it in the camera.
I can't really see it. I'm just there like,
Nah.
Stop! No, because the brush wasn't going where I wanted it to go.
Let's try.
So about that, she's jumped off.
I didn't get the first one on camera.
Ugh. Am I boring you?
Just slightly.
Wow. Okay, what's your favourite skincare product?
This Liz Earle cleansing thing that.
Was that yours?
Yes.
I haven't used it. I'm just I saw it. I was like, did mummy buy it?
No, community got it me for my birthday.
Bougie.
And that's why I was really angry because she got it me and now I really like it. So it means I have to rebuy it if it's big expensive. Thank you very much.
Because like in New Moon, Edward left it. She just sat outside her
I
window.
haven't watched that one yet.
You know what happens in New Moon.
No, but I'm experiencing it all again for the first time.
But she just kind of sits there for a year. Like, bro, get a life. Also, Jacob was wrong for imprinting on a 2-hour.
He cannot control it.
Yes, but like it's disgusting.
It's not, because it's not like sexual love. It's like love as in like just an intense connection for want to protect and stuff.
Yeah, but it's like in the like, and when they were going like fast forward in life.
No.
Like,
Yeah, eventually that happens, but at that moment in time it's more like familial and protective. Don't talk about things you don't understand, Davina. Don't get it.
sorry.
Don't get it.
I didn't know you were so invested.
If you get caught that your sibling was in jail, what would be the first crime that comes to mind?
I don't know. I feel like yours would be like accidental. Like you don't mean to get arrested.
Yours would be trespassing of some sort. I feel like you'd just be going somewhere to take edgy photos and then get caught.
That wasn't nice. Okay, that lip
I
line.
feel like I ate half of that lip line. Look at my teeth!
Was it? I'm sorry, you got such small lips. Oh no. It's gonna be like a feathered lip plot, you know? And it's gonna be
On
quite,
red lips.
yeah, it's gonna be quite, you know. Oh no! My right hand! Okay.
Are we done?
Are we done?
Are we done?
I think so.
Are we done?
Yes.
We're done. I'm gonna look at it properly in all, because I can't really see properly in the viewfinder, and all its, you know, close-up glory. Are we ready for this?
Wow!
Wow!
That's like the kid who did like the world's rapidest
Do
drawing.
you know the eyeshadow actually looks sick? It looks really cool. Like if you were using your proper hand,
Yeah, it would look good.
it would have been amazing. But that base, yeah, actually did pretty decent. Let me just get in the full frame. This is to be. Let me just here. So this is the finished look, guys. What do we think? How well of a good job did she do, or bad job? What do you think? Okay, this, come here. The frame, bro. This is the finished look. Do you want to talk everybody through your inspiration and the look that you did today?
Euphoria.
That's it. That's all
Euphoria's
we
a mess, and so is this look.
have. There we go. So this is the look. You know, if you want more content from us both, don't comment. No, I'm joking. Anyway, this is the finished look, guys. I really hoped you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to come and say it with me. Come on, like, comment, and all that good stuff down below. You know the drill. Anyway, yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ready? Bye.
Bye.
No, I said 7-2. I
No,
said
you
7-2.
said half 6.
Anyway,
And I said 6, and then I was like, no, I said no, it's 6.
stop poking my
Sorry.
eyeball.
Sorry. Oh no. Actually. Ew.
Do that.
Ew.
I don't know why I breathe like that. Open the palette.
Wait.
Open the palette.
Why did... It's okay.
today.
Oh. Oh dear. That's what, it's because you're staring at me. That's even worse. I got, oh.
Come on.
I did it. It was disgusting.
Okay, now we do it again. But I'm gonna speak. Ready?
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.